Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox error. Code 279 failed to connect to the game on Android, iPhone, PC, and tablet devices. If Roblox is stuck connecting, showing connection errors, or not joining servers, follow these easy step-by-step fixes. Step-by-step fix guide. Step 1. Clear Roblox cache Android. Open Settings. Go to Apps. Tap Roblox. Open Storage. Tap Clear Cache. This helps fix corrupted temporary files. Step 2. Update Roblox. Open Google Play Store or App Store. Search for Roblox. Install the latest update. Old versions can fail to connect to servers. Step 3. Disable VPN or private DNS. Turn off VPN apps. Disable private DNS settings. Restart your device afterward. VPN connections may block Roblox servers. Step 4. Restart Roblox. Close Roblox completely. Remove it from recent apps. Reopen the game and try joining again. Step 5. Check your internet connection. Restart your Wi-Fi router. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Make sure your internet is stable. Avoid background downloads while gaming. Slow internet is the main cause of error 279. Step 6. Check Roblox server status. Sometimes Roblox servers are down or under maintenance. Official server status page. Step 7. Reinstall Roblox. If the error still appears, uninstall Roblox. Restart your device. Install the newest version again. Step 8. Allow Roblox through firewall, PC. For PC users, open Windows Security. Go to Firewall Settings. Allow Roblox through the firewall. Firewall blocks can cause error 279. Extra fixes. Reset network settings. Update your device software. Try a different Roblox server. Restart your phone or PC. That's how you fix Roblox Error Code 279. Failed to connect to the game step by step. If you still have any problems or errors, comment below and I'll help you fix them. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Roblox tutorials, gameplay, and error fixes.